to my channel. Today we're going to do a first impressions and a tutorial, kind of a review on the new Tati Beauty palette. I was so excited that she finally came out with makeup. I love her channel, I've been watching her for years, so it's something that I've been really anticipating. So I thought that I would use it for the first time on camera and share my thoughts with you guys and do a little tutorial in there as well in case you have the palette and you looking for ideas. It's pretty simple, as most of my tutorials are, nothing too hard. So if you would like to see my thoughts in a tutorial using this palette, please continue to watch and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. The first thing I want to show you guys is the box it came in, which has the picture of her with the glitter on it, which is so pretty. And then in the inside it says, "Beautiful is your story to tell," with her signature, which is also cool. And here's what the actual packaging looks like. It's a nice soft touch brown with the gold writing. And that's the back. And then we have Tati Beauty on the edge with the volume 1, and it kind of has that look of a book that she mentioned. And excuse the ratchet nails. I broke 2 of them, and these are my real nails. I get the SNS powder on top of my real nails, so that hurt pretty bad opening boxes, and just jammed my hand down and they cracked, and this is what I'm left with, but I will be getting them fixed soon, so I apologize. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids as a primer. It's just something I normally do because I do have some veining that I like to cancel out. And one thing I love about this palette is the mirror. Go ahead and show you the inside really quick. All the beautiful shades. And then the very large mirror there. First thing I'm going to do is take the shade Aura, which is the matte lightest shade here. And I'm just going to put that kind of in the crease area of our eye so that the shades that we put there blend out okay and don't stick to the concealer at all. And just take that up to the eyebrow just to make sure everything that lays on top has a fair chance of the blend, which I doubt I'll have trouble with. Tati is one that I trust, so I'm sure her formula is going to be awesome. Now I'm going to take Soothe, which is the the 4th row of shades. Kind of that tan color, perfect transition shade, and that's what we're going to use it for. I'm going to put that in the crease. Wow, that blended out super easy, and I love how it looks. It's the perfect tone for a transition. Next, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of Ritual, which is the 2nd shade, the brown, and put that in the crease, but not all the way in the crease, just more so on the outer portion. Down just a little bit into the outer corner, but not a whole lot, just whatever's left on your brush there. Then I'm going to take shade called Memory, and just pack a little bit of that into the outer corner. Very nice. The part I'm most excited about, I'm going to take the glitter shade in the row called Aura, so this one here, and put that on the lid. And one thing that the broken nail does come in handy for is usually I can't really use my fingers with the glitters and shadows because my nails are so long. So with it broken, that's what I'm gonna do today. Just gonna swirl into it and get a little bit and just pack it on. Really pretty. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it has the different color sparkles in it. And I really like that. That is very pretty. I am loving that. The only thing is I did get some fallout here, which is normal with glitters. I'm gonna see if we could hopefully just brush it away. No luck just brushing it away, so I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and see if that'll work. Makeup wipe definitely worked a lot better, so if you have that problem, I would just go in with the makeup wipe and kind of wipe it away. And I'm going to go ahead, guys, and since we have the basics of the top lid done, I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup, and we'll come back and do the finishing touches as far as the lower lash line and just a little more blending at the top. Now that we have the face makeup done for the most part, we're going to go ahead and do our lower lash line. For that, I am first going to go in with Soothe, that transition shade, and just buff that across the entire lower lash line. Have that across the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with black again, Memory, with a liner brush, and I'm going to just tap that along the very outer corner of the lower lash line. Just a little bit of the brown shade Ritual. And just buff very little of that right below the black and over a little more into about midway of the eye, just so it matches the top. lower lash line's done, we're going to go in with a very small blending brush and just blend the black towards the top here, just a little. No products on the brush, we're just blending what's already there. You want to be careful not to go over to where the glitter is to disrupt that, as it can cause more fallout. I'm just going back in with the brush that we put the brown on in the beginning and go over the same area lightly again. Again, no additional product, just blending. And then lastly, we're going to take that brush we had our transition on and go over the edges. Again, be careful to not really touch the glitter. Now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and throw on some mascara, eyelashes, and eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Now that we have our lashes, eyebrows, and a black eyeliner on in the waterline, we're going to go ahead and pop a little bit of a highlight in our inner corner. And for that, I'm going to take in the Row Aura, the shimmer shade right below the glitter here. And just a little small flat concealer type brush is what I'm using for this. And just pop that right in the inner corner. I also use this same shade as a bit of a subtle highlight on the face. The highlight will pick up on camera or not, but it's just a subtle highlight, nothing too intense. I think what I'm going to try to do is spray the brush, pick some up, that same shade on my highlighter brush first, and then give it a little bit of a spray and see. Oh yeah, that really helped. That completes our look with our first impressions and tutorial using the Tati Beauty palette. This palette is very beautiful. I can't wait to get more into it, into those pinks and those oranges, and all the colors in there are just my type of thing. So I'm so excited to get this palette, and the formula seemed great. Didn't have any problems with a lot of kick up, no issues with blendability, patchiness, nothing like that at all. The only small issue I had was the glitter fallout, and I do think that next time I'm going to go in with a glitter glue or like a mixing medium, something along those lines, just to give it a little more something to adhere to. And for me, I do have hooded eyes as well, so I got a little bit of transfer up to the hooded part of my eye, and I think that an adhesive like that will help with that as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, hit subscribe before you leave and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.